Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm just going to share a few stationery products that I bought at a cheap price. I got them at a shop called the Ringgit shop. Ringgit is equal to about 50 cents in the US dollars currency. So that's very cheap. Now let me just jump straight into the products that I got. By the way, this is the shop that I went to in Limut. So the first one, these are some neon colored pens. There are about 6 pens in this, and these just costed me 2 ringgit, which is really cheap. Now the second thing I'm showing you is a set of glitter pens. These are all glitter pens. They come in a set of 10. So it's like, I think it includes all of the colors. Looks like a rainbow in there. There are 10 of them. So this is a set of markers. You can see a rubber band there because I've already opened it before. And then I realized I wanted to film this video, so I just put some rubber band. Now this is a set of glitter. There are 10 colors in one set. So this is a glitter glue that can be used in arts and crafts. Now the best one here is this. This is a set of magic pens, kind of like markers but with a fine tip. They are made of a set of 24 magic pens. They come in 24 different shades and they costed me only 2 ringgit. Now I'm going to try the colors out. I'm going to try all of the stationery that I got except for glitter, because I don't want to open it. I'm not going to use it yet, so I'm not going to try that. But I will be, however, trying all of the other stationery products. I will be starting off with the pens. And this is actually a paper that I got for my planner book. I'm just going to test every single one of them. Starting off with the green. I feel like the surface might be a little hard, so I'm putting like a notebook beneath it. There. I think it came out fine. I'm just going to write the colors pens that I'm using. Green, purple. This is purple. Ooh, this one looks like a highlighter. So here are the colors. I think they are quite good. Well, for this price, this is good. Now I'm gonna just keep all of them back inside the container. Yeah. Yes, I did arrange them in like matching neighbors. So I'm done with that. And next, I'm going to try the glitter pens. Let's open it. This thing is going to bite my finger off. It just won't come out. Look at my finger. It left a dent. There it is. I managed to open it. Now let's try the colors. I thought it's yellow, but it looks like gold. Well, I'm done trying them, and they're okay. I think you can see them for yourself. I'm just packing it back. Neatly. Now it is time to try out the markers. So these are a set of 10 markers. They're kind of like Sharpies, but they're different. I have already opened them before. Let me just grab all of them. It'll be easier that way. Now I'm gonna start off with black. Whoa, what a great start. There's nothing coming out. There's no ink. The hell? My dad got another set, and I'm gonna try that as well. And too bad, it's not working. Both the blacks are out. The brown seems fine. This one's hard. Oh no. What do I do now? I never expected this. Okay, it's working. Well, I guess you can't complain much for this price. Sometimes you just get what you pay for. Okay, so the rest of the colors are okay. I'm just gonna put them back. Now it is time for the big reveal. Okay, my favorite. I used to have a set of this when I was a kid, and I loved it. I'm so glad I got another one as an adult. These are just markers actually. They are just a little smaller. They have a finer tip. Well, I'm done trying out all of them, and this is the final result. I love the magic colors. They are good. I never thought I can find a set of them for this price, so I just regret not buying a second set because I have a nephew who is into art, and this would have been something that he might love. So here it is. I'm done testing the markers, colored pens, and these magic colors. So thank you for watching, guys, and I hope that you find my video helpful. If you find these into Ringgit shop, I think you should get some of them, especially the magic colors. Thank you for watching, and hit the like button if you like this video, and subscribe to me for more videos. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.